It's a rainy day today, and I wanted to go out and play. Maybe if we sing a song, the rain will go away.
Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little children want to play. Rain, rain, go away.
Oh no, it didn't listen to what we had to say. Mom pokes her head in, by the way.
You can't go outside to play, but you can have fun inside today.
We had a syrupy pancake day. A jump on the bed day. A selfies with dad day. A go fish playing day. A hide and seek day. A role playing day. A singing and dancing day. A gummy worm eating day. A camp out in the living room day. Yay, the rain has finally gone away. But it's too dark to go out and play.
Don't let that take your smile away. Tomorrow is another day.
Time to sleep the night away. Yay! The rain has finally gone away. Now we can run about and play.